So, we got a predicament. I want to go out Sunday mudding with Mud Muncher, and well, I'm going to need this because I don't currently have a truck I can take. That one's far too not very good enough to survive even an hour. Then there's that one which is also, well, it's possible but unlikely by Sunday. Then there's that one that's possible but also just no. And then there's this one with a split intercooler, slight overheating issue. Oh, I left the windows down and she's in the floor with knackered tyres. So I got the booster pack. That was literally, my bonnet was underground. Holy fuck! I buried her! So this will be the second revival of this rig this year. Probably the first one you'll see on video. I don't know where the other videos are. Injector pump leaks badly. The battery's growing white fur. Excellent. The electrics are as ever mint. The intercooler still leaks lots. Turbo might be not so good, but we got a fan and an alley rad. And just full of red coloured juice, so that's always a good sign. I don't know what's in here, probably nothing. Let's have a look. Yeah, I ain't even going to dip that again, I'll believe it. It uses a bit. Don't know where the key is, it might even be in the ignition. I did leave the windows down. I've got a booster pack. No key. Oh, feathers. And she's slightly, very slightly, just a little bit stuck. Oh, and the four-wheel drive doesn't work. Great. Well, found a key or two and a bottle opener and a thing for the immobiliser, which is partially disabled but still fully active because, well, it just is. So I've got to try and massage it a little. Let's chuck that over there. I'm hoping the battery's still got some juice. It's only been a couple of months because that is empty. So I'll drive without it to start with. Oh. No, we might need a battery. That one's that's run out. Well, it has. All of the electric's gone. Not even a horn. Oh. Another one for the scrap pile. Well, that might explain why she don't start. Pretty sure that should be a bit higher than that. Oh well, I suppose if you come across one that's like this, you probably shouldn't touch the weird white powdery snow stuff, so I won't touch it. I'll just move it out of the way so I don't have to touch it. There we go. I still can't see how Might have to cut the strap. That's not coming undone. Well, it took that and that to finally remove it, and I'm going to go and wash my hands in a minute because, well, yeah. And I definitely didn't, you know, use that as a chisel and hammer against it on top of the battery where it was. Definitely didn't do that, and I think it's actually eaten the metal. Big lumps of grey. Lovely. There's some blue stuff there as well. Awesome. If anyone fancies a line, I'll give you a tenner to sniff it. Right, well, we've got another battery that's showing 1244-ish. Might be good or bad. It's been on charge for about a month. I'll put the positive on. We'll put the negative on and then we'll give it a go. Now, when I revived it earlier this year before parking it up, there was a minor electrical fire when I first connected things up and tried starting it, so... Oh, something's live. She sizzles. I hear a click in the immobiliser's having a spaz attack. Lovely. We'll massage that on there. Then they're quicker. I like them because you can hot them off easy when a rig finally decides to just burn. So we'll have a go at starting, and now we've got some things lit up in here. 12.4. Let me turn that off. Oh, that seems to have killed the immobiliser. No, it's back. That's disarmed it. She's in neutral. I don't think she'd go anywhere even if she weren't. Clutch goes down, that's good. Brake pedals rock hard. Throttle don't stick. Oh. Will she run? Do we think? Or is she out of diesel? Oh, well. That was a bit easier than anticipated. She's fucking up. She's up and ready to rock. I'm telling you. Listen to that car. Little rig. Oh, we'll put them on there then and close that because we don't need to go in there anymore. Now it's running. That went a little bit too easy. The fun part's going to be getting her out of there, I think, because she's fairly well down. Well, we've got a teleport, or we might just have to make her come. We'll see. Well, that was the easiest will it start ever. I literally put a battery on it that I thought might be half shit, and I've done about 1.5 rotations and it was running. So now I've got to try and get it unstuck, so we'll try 4-wheel. We have no 4-wheel, so something's definitely broke on the front end, which is not good. So I'm going to have to pull her out, I reckon, boys. So, because the last will at start was a bit too easy, we'll add this one in because I've got to move this to get that one out. See, we can go on in a bit. Might be wasp nests in here. Should probably be careful. Oh, we turned the ignition on and the lights came on with the battery that's on it, so give her a bit of glow. She might fire up. Fingers crossed, eh? Well, that one was far too fucking easy as well, I'm telling you. She just fires right on up. Lovely little Moshi, I tell you. So now that we've heard the old rig run, we're going to pull her out of the hole she was in. Now that strap has been holding this one to the tree back there for the last few months because it wouldn't go backwards, so I've just bulldozed in here, pushed it back, took the strap off, hooked it up tight, and just one move, and I'm not doing this. Health and safety, you didn't see that. Let's go and move her. Oh, apparently there's a leak. Lovely. Tell you what to do, get there. Try this one. Come on, gal. She's out. Lovely job. Well, now she's out, she'll drive from there. So I'm happy. Jam her in A gear so she can't wander anywhere. I don't know what caused it to sink like that. Really don't. Also, worryingly, no, that's not fuel, that's just dirty. And the pinion seal must be good because there's no oil where that was. Axle seals, fucking excellent. Tyres, not fucking excellent. This one's got some air, but the others are a little bit lacking, so probably the wheels off that one, which are brand new wheels and tyres, are going on her for the weekend.